Hey YouTube, it's Chris and welcome to the shop. Today I'm going to give you an update on Project Clifford, the 1958 GMC NAPCO pickup truck. In the last video, we unpackaged a wood floor kit that I received for the pickup box from Mark K. And since then, I have the board stained and ready for clear coat. But in the next few weeks, I'm going to release a video showing you that complete finishing process that I followed. But today, I would like to share with you some unexpected challenges that we came across getting ready to mount the box to the rolling chassis. So let's go check it out. Okay, so the issue we have is around the rear cross sill, and I'll be showing you the problems. Let me get inside the box. And if you zoom in, see this bracket is definitely all mangled up. And the cross sill itself is rotted. You can move it and you can see the thing cracking already. And it wouldn't take long for that cross sill to fatigue, to failure. It's actually even worse on the other side. As you can see, but this cross sill is something's going on with it because it's bent on the plan view. So there's issues. That was the first sign of, hey, we got something going on back here. But number two is, you notice that this bracket, and sorry for zooming in, it's kind of dark in here, but it's fastened on the outside with bolts. I don't know if you can see it. Inside it looks like guys stick welded the bracket onto the cross sill. Where on the other side there's no fasteners. It's more like what you would expect from General Motors. So the way this is supposed to be is those brackets are welded to the cross sill, the rear cross sill, and the cross sill is bolted to the box. Unfortunately, there's signs that there was some creative engineering done to this pickup box that I'm going to have to deal with. And the third clue, if you look down here, is there is a weld between the cross sill and the box side, which I'm going to have to cut out because that is not supposed to be there. That cross sill is fastened to the box via two bolts, and there's bolts on the back side also. I don't know if you can get to that. So not sure exactly what was going on there. Not sure exactly, but there's some additional creative engineering. But on the other side, no welds. So interesting, eh? So I gotta replace that. And I was planning on taking the cross sill out and doing the repair myself, welding up that bracket, reinforce it, make some new brackets. You would have probably spent probably a good half a day on to get that repaired. Well, I went online and noticed that Mark K sold a replacement cross sill with US steel stamped, made in the USA. I bought their other box cross sills, which I'm very happy with. The quality was outstanding, and it was like a no-brainer. It wasn't that expensive, so I said, hey, it's worth saving my time on. There's a couple other interesting things that I found in this pickup box. If you look at what this guy did, is he fastened the step side fenders onto the box using these fasteners without washers. And the washers dug right into the paint, as you can see. no washers, the bolt dug right into the paint, cracked the paint, started corrosion. I'm gonna have to fix that. So there's some issues with that I'm gonna have to take care of. On the front of the box, I can get this gimbal to pan. Okay. You have that cross sill, that forward cross sill that the step bracket bolts to. I have a new one for it, and this one is rusted pretty significantly underneath that flange. So I have a brand new one ready to go. Then I'm gonna swap that out. Hey guys, got the box mounted onto the pickup truck, and want to take you over there. Still don't have the cross sill replaced. I'm waiting for that to come in from Marquet. But it's a good opportunity to go through and you can see the cross sills and how I have the box mounted right now. So let's go check it out. Okay, so first thing to check out is there's the new cross sills I have. So the rear, separate from the box rear cross sill, but I have these mid cross sills, and these are new. That's a new piece right here that goes over to, has the cutout for the leaf spring bushing, and the mid cross sill goes onto the goes across. It's actually shorter height, section height, and it goes on top of that hump on the frame rail. Then, as I mentioned earlier, I replaced that forward cross sill that box flange goes on. So I did have to modify that front cross sill. I actually had to cut out a part of the forward flange of the cross sill. Nothing big, no big deal. If you have any questions or like additional information on it, let me know. But besides cutting out that little corner of the flange in the forward part of the cross sill on each side to allow it to fit and bolt onto that flange, everything else fit pretty well. So underneath the cross sills, I have these rubber mounts. I have rubber mounts under the cross sills, between the frame and the cross sills. But it's temporarily mounted. Again, and as we talked about, I need to replace that rear cross sill still. Also, here's a sneak peek of the board color staining. It's complete, but I still need to apply the clear coat to it. But I think it's gonna look nice. I think the red of the pickup box really pulls out the red of the boards. I made the decision that I'm going to repaint the box. So that is probably going to be done before I lay the boards into the box. So I am going to shoot it out. One thing I am going to do is these snaps for the tonneau cover that the previous owner had. As you can see, they're not aligned. They're all pretty much up and down. You know what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually weld those up. I'm going to take those off, weld them before I paint it, and get rid of them. So I figure if I'm going to do it, I'm going to do it right. So that's it. Wanted to give you a quick update of Project Clifford, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like button. Have a good one. See you guys next time.